everyone. I hope you enjoy this content. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that bell to be notified of upcoming videos.
Josh, as a trader, what do you do when the markets are tough?
So let's define a tough market. So normally, in my opinion, a tough market is when you're just losing. You apply your strategy, everything lines up, there's whiplashes, there's probably fear in the market, fundamental announcements cause short-term movements, and if you're like a mid-term swing trader like I am, or a day trader or scalper, a tough market basically means, hey, I'm applying my strategy and I'm still losing. What do I do? Well, in those scenarios, risk management is the best thing you can have, because just like anything else in life, it's the tough markets are not here to stay. They're here to go. Just like good markets are not here to stay. They're here to go. And so everything's in phases, right? So we have good market phases and we have bad market phases. When we're in a bad market, you still got to push through your strategy, because usually what ends up happening is the moment that you stop pushing your strategy through or stop applying your technique is really the moment where it starts working again. And so what you may want to do is not increase your risk, but lower your risk, lower your investments, kind of get a little bit more defensive. And then when things get a little bit better and you see conditions turn around and start winning again, then, if it's your decision, you can always increase your risk tolerance and make up the difference when times are good. So what do you do during bad markets? I don't think you give up. Ultimately, I think you lower your risk and you kind of push through. If you have good risk management, you probably go through 5, 6, 7, 8 bad trades, and then by that time, enough time has gone by to where conditions could be good again. But if you over risk or if you risk too much during that time, that can be extremely devastating to your account. All right, everyone, it's Joshua Martinez. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video and you want to stay up to date to my weekly content, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, tradersagency.com. If you want to be notified every time I post a video, go ahead and click on that bell down below. If you want even more information, don't forget to visit my website at tradersagency.com and subscribe to my free weekly newsletter where I send out my research on market opportunities. Thank you for the opportunity. Have a wonderful day.